or a bacteria looks like before we meet it for real. If and when we do meet that virus or that bacteria, our bodies are able to mount a really rapid and strong response. How long this outbreak in China is going to continue for, but it is hoped that they will have a vaccine in time to help people. There's lots and lots of viruses in the world, and one that a lot of people.
Hello guys, I'm Aliminik. Today I will tell you about the coronavirus. What is coronavirus? How it is spreading all over the world, how it is effective on the persons and on animals, how it is dangerous, all over the details, all about the experiments and all about the details, that vaccines and the cure I will tell you in this video. So I request all the friends to subscribe my channel and like this video. Today I am going to tell you the precautions and the cure of the coronaviruses. So let's guys, what is the coronavirus? Coronavirus is a viral disease that has started from the China. This is the more dangerous disease which causes the lungs affects the persons who start in this, who feels and very difficult in taking the breath, and his throat is affected very muchly. 3 days is remain in the throat, and then it is removed towards the lungs. When it reaches on the lungs, it screws, it affects the lungs, and the person's not possible to take the breath very effectively. So this is a very dangerous disease where many countries are trying to vaccine of this disease, but this time no one disease have been correctly created for these viruses. So many scientists and many industries are trying to create a passive vaccine. I will tell you which is vaccine have it created till now. So let's guys, this is the coronavirus. This is a very dangerous virus. We have some precautions, and two medicines, still only two medicine the American scientists have developed, and they have permit all the doctors to use that medicines for the persons that have affected coronaviruses. Still two medicines have been developed. One is the chloroquine to be tested for the coronavirus treatment in the US. The President of the United States, Donald Trump, announced on the 19th March the chloroquine as the first drug for the treatment of the coronavirus. So guys, this is the first medicine that is created for the coronavirus as a clinical trial conducted by the government agencies and a pandemic for this disease. The second medicine is the Favipiravir, the first approved coronavirus drug in China. The national medical product administrator of the China has approved the use of the Favipiravir as an antiviral drug as a treatment for the coronaviruses. The drug has reportedly shown efficiency in treating the disease with minimal side effects in a clinical trial involving the 17 patients. The clinical trial is being conducted in the Shenzhen province. So guys, we have some questions what I need about the coronaviruses. In camp, when will life get back to normal? Easy steps, what I can do? The simple guide, what are the symptoms? Maps on the charts, will guide to the outbreak. So I tell you all about it.
Let's work backwards. An endemic infection is an infection that's present in an area all year round, all the time, from year to year. So that might be something like chickenpox in the UK, which happens every year. Or in parts of Africa, malaria is an endemic infection. Sneeze or cough and the virus spreads from person to person, or when they leave infected materials like infected mucus on surfaces. That's why it's really important to wash your hands.
The vaccine that you can see here. The next step then is to put that into manufacture. So let's go and have a look at that now.
So let's I tell you some precautions you can use to prevent the coronavirus. Daily wash your hands in 20 seconds. After 2 hours, daily you wash your hands after 2 hours, after 2 hours to save your coronavirus. And drink the water every 1 hour. Every 1 hour drink half of the glass water. half of the glass water, and every 1 hour. These are precautions too. You can use them and use the lemon juice and such as the drink things that can prevent you the coronaviruses, and use these things. So don't meet with any unknown persons who don't know you, so you can contact your mouth as the virus can contact with you on that persons. So keep in don't contact with you in any of the persons. So these are the some precautions and some of the cures that I will tell you about the coronaviruses. So guys, listen about it, and thank you for watching my videos, and subscribe my channel for such a huge and good updates about these things. Thank you. Bye bye. Welcome.